On a number line, okay, these are 3 to 4 marks question. On a number line, points A, B and C are such that they have already given you all the 3 points are on a number line. That means it is collinear. Already they have stated that this is collinear. Okay, they won't be, it's not always that they will write in the question that the points are collinear. They said that they on a number line, a points A, B, C are on number line, means they are on the same line, are such that distance AB is equal to 10, distance CB is equal to 8. Okay, you have to find distance of, find AB. क्वेश्चन मध्ये काहीतरी रॉंग झालेलं आहे. डिस्टन्स ऑफ, इट इज AC. This should be AC. AC is equal to 10, CB is equal to 8. Okay, find AB considering all the possibilities. Now what do you mean by considering all the possibilities? They said that point A, B and C are on the same line, but they have not said which point is between the other two. Okay, so we have to go with we have to draw the figure. Distance of AC is equal to 10 and distance CB is equal to 8. Now there are two possibilities. Possibility 1, say it is line AB, okay, where C is in between. So distance of AC is 10 and distance of CB is 8. So distance of AB will be 10 plus 8, that will be 18. Possibility another, this is distance AB where B is between A and C. Okay, so distance AB will be 10, this will be 10, this will be 8. Sorry, AC will be 10. Okay, AC is 10, so this distance is 10. You have to draw the diagrams with pencil. Okay, this is 10 and this is 8. So how will you find distance of AB? Distance of AB will be distance of AC minus distance of BC, that is 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Correct? Now we have to write it statement wise. Possibility 1, distance of AB is equal to crooked lines, you lose marks. Okay, मी रफमध्ये फिगर काढले कारण मला कोणी मार्क्स देणार नाही आहे, पण तुम्हाला टीचरकडून मार्क्स पाहिजे तर यू हॅव टू मेक अ ड्रॉ फेअर फिगर. Use scales for this. Don't put any crooked lines like what I have done. Okay, distance of AB is equal to distance of AC plus distance BC. The first one, first figure. AB is equal to AC plus CB. AC plus CB बोलो कि BC बोलो, एक ही बात है. Is equal to 10 plus 8. That is distance is equal to 18. This is your possibility 1 answer. Possibility second. Possibility second is B is between A and C. Here the distance of AB is equal to distance of AC minus distance of BC. Okay, again you can put the reason as B is between A and C. If you want to put a reason, nahi टाकलं तरी चालेल, not an issue because you have already mentioned this possibility itself. Therefore distance AB is equal to 10 minus 8. Therefore distance AB is equal to 2. So your final answer will be distance AB is equal to 18 or distance AB is equal to 2. समझ लो, there are two possibilities. If they don't say which number is between the other two, then there is always two possibilities and you have to solve this accordingly. Go for the next problem. Point X, Y, Z are collinear such that XY is equal to 17 and YZ is equal to 8. Find XZ. Possibility 1, Y is between X and Z, and possibility 2 is Z is between X and Y. Okay, now the first possibility, Y is between X and Z such that XY is equal to 17, YZ is equal to 8. So the distance of XY will be 17 plus 8. Okay, I have solved it here like this directly. Distance of XY is equal to distance of XY, XZ is equal to distance of XY plus distance of YZ, that is equal to 17 plus 8, that is distance of xz is equal to 25. Possibility second, where z is between x and y. In this particular case, if z is between, then the distance xy is 17 and zy is 8. So in order to get the distance xz, we will be, suffering from acidity. For getting the distance of xz, what we'll do is xy minus distance of zy. Okay, distance of xz is equal to distance of xy minus distance of zy, that is equal to 17 minus 8, that is 9. Reason, okay, you have to write the reason. Reason will be the same. Possibility, okay, you want to write, you write it, or else it's okay. Okay, only two problems in this particular question. Question number 4, problem 1 and 2, both we have solved. Still short for you. Okay, done. Also for the first problem, it is partly here and partly the problem is here. You can take a still shot and you can solve it. Problems एवढे सिंपल आहे ना की तुम्हाला सॉल्व करायला काही हेल्प लागणारच नाही. If I explain you first problem, automatically the remaining 3-4 problems given in that particular set are exactly the same. Follow the steps and solve it. It is just like learning numbers. Okay, now problem number 6. Here you have to draw a figure and write the answer of the following. Now here they have said if B is between A and C and line length of AC is equal to 11 and length of BC is equal to 6.5. So we have to draw a figure. I have made a figure here. You have to draw it with pencil. Line A, B, C, where B is between A and C. Okay.